Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'll be showing you all the easiest and quickest way to make delicious Caesar salad. So what we have here is romaine lettuce, and romaine lettuce gives life to your salad because of the extra crunch it provides. Now you could also use whatever type of lettuce you like, but I prefer romaine lettuce. We also have classic Caesar croutons, which can be found at any supermarket. Some classic Caesar dressing from Kraft, and also Kraft grated Parmesan cheese. So the first thing we're gonna do is take about 5 or 6 leaves of lettuce and shred them up, cut them into smaller pieces. So guys, the next thing we're gonna do is add our Caesar salad dressing to the shredded lettuce. We're now gonna sprinkle some croutons. And the last thing we're gonna do is sprinkle the Parmesan cheese. Now we're just gonna toss this around and mix up everything as thoroughly as possible. And there you have it guys, quick and easy, delicious Caesar salad, made in under 5 minutes.